Eyeballs. Now, this is where I channel my inner Disney animator from going to the animation studio and learning how to do this.
Very cool.
Okay, so let's see if I can do it this way.
Wow, even backwards.
This is tricky. And maybe my big fat head's in the way. Scott, you let me know. So I want to go swoosh, indent. Scott, can you get that?
Barely, it's white on white.
Even this?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean. I got you. Okay, now we're going to try to be left-handed. This ought to be interesting.
Good luck.
Nailed
There we go.
Now
Very
we're
cool
gonna-
tools you have there,
Those
Missy.
great. Okay, now I'm just kind of rolling this in to indent it. Another reason why thicker fondant works nice on this,
Nice.
because then I have indentability.
Indentability.
I just made a word. I like that word.
That's how we're going to measure our fondant. How is the indentability?
Indentability. Okay,
Indentability.
I'm gonna go down a little bit
Okay.
for the eye sockets. That's what we're making is eye sockets.
Very cool.
Okay, is my big fat head in the way?
No,
Okay, good. Okay,
good, 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 good,
we're
good.
gonna need that in a minute because we're doing ears.
Okay.
Stop. Okay, so let's get our little eyeballs in there. Oh, you like that? Just cornstarched myself.
It happens.
All right, a little bit of black, and they have a really nice dark black. Which
Who
I
does? Is this Fat
This
Daddy
is
again?
still Fat Daddy.
Good.
So I made a little noodle, and then cutting off little things here to make little balls.
Little tiny ball.
And I want to make sure that they're the same size.
Yeah.
And this one is just a hair
Get it? Hair?
too big. Ah! And so we're,
Then again, it is a cartoony kind of,
it's true.
animated kind of.
It's true. Okay, so now we're
Aha! Now he can see.
placing it in there.
There you are.
Ching, ching, ching. Okay, now, here's a trick to make it look more alive.
Okay.
Minuscule,
Minuscule. Okay.
tiny bit of white. We're gonna do eyebrows too, but let's finish the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to take my pointy guy. Can you see this?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm taking a super, I'm gonna go even smaller. Maybe smaller. Okay, super tiny little, almost looks, this is gross, but it kind of looks like a maggot. All right,
There you go.
and we're gonna, see what I mean?
Yep.
Now it makes them look more alive.
Even more alive.
Even more alive.
So you're making like an iris
Yes,
kind
kinda.
of thing.
It's just like a light
Yeah, little reflection.
light
off
reflection.
off the
A
eyeball.
fake light reflection.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the other one should be similar.
And since I am going backwards here, sorry if it's not. Okay. Right. Now. Okay, so now I'm making another noodle, but I am making the ends thinner. Okay, so I'm cutting off my two ends. Let's make them the same size by measuring instead of eyeballing. Okay, then we're gonna,
Moonshine. That's
yeah.
what they're saying online. They're calling it moonshine. So, yeah.
Well, when you airbrush with like a luster and you mix it, a lot of people would mix it with vodka. But
Yeah.
when you mix it with Everclear, it is dry instantly to the touch.
Wow.
It is
Yeah.
fantastic.
It's pure grain alcohol,
Yep,
150 proof.
yep,
That's what they're saying.
it's excellent. What's funny is,
Oh, 150 and 190. The 190 is what's often illegal for sale,
Right.
according to one of our friends here.
What's really
Hi, Jeffries.
funny is
Thank
that
you.
I don't even drink, and I have probably more alcohol than most people because of food, because of cooking with it, working with it. All right.